Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. If you find our videos interesting and want to be part of our growing community, I'd really appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe. In this video we will understand how to sketch the face of Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. His full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Ronaldo began his professional career with Sporting CP in Portugal before joining Manchester United in 2003. At Manchester United, Ronaldo won 3 English Premier League titles and the UEFA Champions League in the 2007-2008 season. He became the world's most expensive footballer at the time when he transferred to Real Madrid in 2009 for a then-record fee. Ronaldo won 4 Champions League titles with Real Madrid and became the club's all-time leading scorer. In 2018, he moved to Juventus in Serie A, Italy. Ronaldo is known for his incredible goal-scoring ability and versatility, having played as a winger earlier in his career and later transitioning to a central striker role. He has won the FIFA Ballon d'Or award 5 times, recognizing him as the best player in the world. Ronaldo is often praised for his dedication to training and maintaining a strict fitness regimen. He holds numerous individual records, including being the all-time leading scorer in the UEFA Champions League. Ronaldo is the first player to score 100 goals in UEFA Champions League history. He is the all-time leading scorer for the Portuguese national team. Ronaldo played a crucial role in Portugal's victory in the 2016 UEFA European Championship. Off the field, Ronaldo is known for his philanthropy, including donations to various charitable causes. He has his own fashion line called CR7. Ronaldo has a significant presence on social media, with millions of followers on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. He is known for his powerful and accurate free kicks, as well as his acrobatic goal celebrations. Ronaldo is one of the most marketable athletes globally and has endorsement deals with major brands like Nike, Tag Heuer, and Clear. In 2020, Ronaldo became the first European player to reach 100 international goals. He is the only player to have scored in 3 UEFA European Championships 2004, 2012, and 2016. Thank you for watching.